If you have been sourced and ship products from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app for a very long time, or you are new to Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, but you find it difficult to add or set up your delivery address, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to set up or add your delivery address on your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Pinduoduo app and come to your profile icon down below right here. So go ahead and click on your profile icon and it's going to take you right here. And the next thing you want to do is to see how we can easily add our delivery address or shipping address to the profile and start shopping on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, JD.com, IDFees, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source, ship products from China with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's proceed. So next thing I'm going to do right here is to go ahead and come to my dashboard right here. Go ahead and make sure you look for this icon on your profile. So go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, you can see I have a multiple address on my account right here. So from your end, if you are adding the address for the first time, it might not look like this. So just follow along. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down all the way down right here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to add a new address. And this is going to pump up. Then what you need to do is to autofill your delivery address right here. Boom. The address has been automatically filled. So next thing you want to do is to do simple editing to the address for that, such as your name and such as the shipping mark, as the case may be. So I'm going to go ahead and exit from here, and I'll open up my shipping app right here. And then I'll go ahead and click on my profile account. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on here to copy my shipping mark right here. Having copied my shipping mark, I will come back to Pinduoduo right here. And I'm going to go ahead and click and hold down. Then paste my shipping mark right here. Then I'm done. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply go ahead and click on here to add the address completely. I'm going to click on here now to add the shipping address. Successfully added. For me to make this address a default address, I just need to simply click on here now. Boom. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source, ship products from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.